Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Rocket Money. So to set up this app you will need to create an account and connect your financial account so the app can track spending, subscriptions and budgets. So actually guys, first you will need to download the Rocket Money app or visit the website, and you can download it directly from the app store as well. And then just open the app and sign up using your email address and create a password, right? So go with create account right here. And then it says right here, choose as many options as you'd like. So for example, we go with these ones, continue. And just follow the prompts and answer the questions right here. So for example, you go with reduce my spending, pay off debts, grow my saving, everything, right? Okay, the car, continue. So here you will need to enter your first name and the last name. Here you will need to enter your email address as well, and you will need to check the two options below it. And now just create a strong password. So here guys, after creating an account you will need to link your account, right? So actually I will go with PayPal. If you have American Express or any other option from here, just go ahead and select it, right? And now just log in into your PayPal or your bank account to provide your email and password right here, and then do the captcha right here. And now you will need to do a simple verification, so whether you want to receive an email on your email or a text on your number, right, through the messages. So for me, I will go with the email, and then you will need just to enter the code right here, right? And then there you go, so tap on continue. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.